Have you noticed? No one talks about the gray area. Those days na hindi ka naman pagod, wala ka namang sakit, hindi naman masama yung araw, hindi rin naman maganda. Wala lang talaga. You wake up in the morning, you prepare for work, you go to the office, sit at your desk, madalas nakatulala, then uwi na. Then pag-uwi, papahinga. Back when I was training for my marathon, hindi lahat ng training ka post-post. There were mornings na wala lang talaga. Gising ako ng maaga kasi sanay na yung katawan, pero nakatulala sa kawalan. Sadyang ganun pala yung buhay, no? We have those silent days, the not so good ones, but not that bad days, but I still consider it a bad day. Alam mo bang okay lang magkaroon ng bad days? Not every day should matter, nor emotionally significant, or shiny, or kung performative. If palagi may significant, if palagi may shiny, baka wala na talaga totoong shiny or wala na totoong significant. Not every day counts. And that's supposed to be fine. Most days are just days. Walang title. And these days usually come and go.